Easy peasy, and I'll tell you what. See these chicken wings? Mm-hmm. They're the best chicken wings.
Are you getting in the oven?
I'm welcome, mate.
You know what, right? My Ree come home with his chicken wings a little while ago, a couple of 3 weeks ago, right? And I said, don't be buying stuff like that from M&S. Because you can go, they're M&S.
Yep.
They're from Marks and Spencer's, right? And I was like, bro, they're the best chicken wings I've ever had, right?
And you ate your own words there, didn't you?
No, I did.
So
And
you're
you know
right.
what, Sam? £1.50.
No.
They're cheap. They're cheap, bruv.
Oh.
Anything off them?
They're cheap, mate. They're cheaper than going Tesco or Aldi or whatever else.
And they're better.
They're thick.
I thought they would have been like £6.
No, they got meat on them. Look at the meat on that.
Yeah.
Look at the meat on that chicken wing. And look, I haven't got to cut no little loose bits of shit off.
Yeah, yeah.
Because normally you got to come along and
All
trim
the
up.
scraggly bits.
Mate, they are so good. I did eat my words on that one because
They're trim like me, babe.
they're trim like my wife.
They're trim.
They're trim like my wife. They're so nice, honestly. Lately I've been going a little bit to M&S, yeah? Just for a little bit of food and that. It's local, it's around the corner. Certain things are a little bit more money. But overall,
Some things are alright.
peanut butter, how much we pay for peanut butter in there?
Yeah, it's the best peanut butter.
£1.40.
Yeah.
Yeah? The branded peanut butter is £3.
Yeah,
Same size pot. You get M&S butter in there, £1 same money as anywhere else.
Do you know what? We've even converted to the tea bags. Not Yorkshire now.
No,
Oh.
M&S tea bags.
£2.
£2.
That's why you come to the office with Yorkshire tea bags the other
Yeah,
day.
she kicked the tea bags out. She kicked
You know what
Yeah,
I know?
I said, oh, the boys might want a cup of tea bag. Take them for them.
She didn't want the tea bags. But I tell you, honestly, mate, there's certain bits in there, and the food quality, the taste of it is good.
Yeah, it's better.
It is good, isn't it?
Yeah, that bacon was banging.
That bacon was good. And when you start looking at the prices, it's similar. It is quite similar, certain stuff.
Yeah, certain bits you don't get.
Not all.
Certain things you're like, whoa.
Do you know what's so
yes,
mad,
no
yeah? We
chance.
go M&S for certain bits, and then we pop the Aldi for the other bits.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's balance, isn't it?
Yeah.
You got to
do-
find the balance,
you do.
because otherwise you just...
But yeah, some bits are nice. Right, this is garlic olive oil. We're going to make, basically, some sticky buffalo chicken wings. We've got buffalo sauce there. I've got a little bit of chicken seasoning as well. All right, so a little bit of oil on it.
You've not made this flavour before this?
No, I haven't.
No.
When we was in there today, I just picked up these ingredients. When I was in there, I said, "Well, can we make some new chicken wings with?" Just a little bit of chicken seasoning. We'll rub that in, all right, and then we're going to put some, you know, them little crispy onions. You can't buy them everywhere.
No, you can't.
They remind me of Pizza Hut.
Exactly. And then
They
chicken
remind me
wings.
of Pizza
Yeah, or harvester.
The salad cart bit.
Yeah. Oh. I haven't had pizza in years.
We had one a little while ago. It was all right. So birthday, I felt a little bit fat afterwards. You know what I mean? Right, get them, rub them in. After that.
You were that before you went in Pizza Hut.
Oh my god.
I ain't getting involved, Rick.
Oh my god, that cruelness is coming out of her now. Since she's had that baby, yeah, she's got all vicious and stuff like that.
Have a day off.
You say you don't have any more.
Nice, right? And then the only thing we're going to put on top of that in a minute, when my hands are clean, is we're going to grind some salt on top of that. Go in the oven 25 minutes. When they're
25
nearly
minutes.
done, that's when we're going to add the honey, the buffalo sauce. And then when they come out,
You bang it on
we're
the
going to do all that.
cushy.
Yeah?
Medium rare.
Phase 1.
They look see-through, they're not done.
They're not see-through. She puts chicken in the oven for hours and hours and hours. Right, she doesn't understand. These need 30 minutes. Look, tell me, what, that's not cooked already.
Yeah.
But you want it crispy. You don't want to eat that.
No.
You want, that's
It's edible.
It'd be slimy though. It
No,
wouldn't
you
kill
don't.
you if you ate that. Is what I'm
No,
saying.
yeah.
Right now, we're gonna add some goodness. Some runny honey. We're making them sticky, yeah.
Look at that.
And then we've got some buffalo sauce. That's an hot sauce.
Yeah, that's hot. That's free on the chili scale.
We're gonna cook it off, right?
Well, he says you know get one now. Brandy used the whole bottle.
No, but we're cooking it off.
Yeah, but we're cooking it off.
That's alright.
Cooking off the heat, people. And keep a little bit more on that. We'll have that.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't put the whole bottle on there.
Huh?
Probably wouldn't put the whole bottle.
No, not yet. We might do by the end of it.
Go and show us some love, babe.
Right, back in the oven. Good 10 minutes. About 10 more minutes, I reckon.
I'm kind of wearing the same.
An hour and a half later.
What?
Are they cooked? They don't look cooked to me.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, God.
They don't look cooked.
Says
You
the lady who
reversed it,
puts the
turn it
pizza
over.
in the oven with the plastic
Oh.
on.
They don't look cooked. Teddy's eyes are lit.
You're not having any, Teddy.
If it was barbecue.
This is buffalo. Sticky
Man's little beard.
buffalo.
No, I shave it.
I'm feeling very holiday vibes out here today.
It is well hot as well.
When did we go down to London?
Tuesday.
I shaved on Monday.
Oh, and it's grown already. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah, he's a big man.
It's all that chicken he's eating, isn't it? Chicken makes you
He
hairy.
eats all the
It does.
chicken.
And the veg. You got to eat your veg. You get hairs on your chest.
Hold up, lady.
Hairs on your chest.
Hold up, lady.
Back to the food.
Hold up, lady.
You put him
A
on.
little bit of this. Wait, a little bit on each, mate.
You're in a meal prep for that, mate. That for me, please.
You need to make it like a glue rinse so the onion sticks.
It's a sticky situation,
It's
isn't
a
it?
sticky
It's a sticky
situation.
situation.
Look at that. How good's that look?
Are they cornflakes?
No, you could put it on there. A bit of spring onion.
We're going to get string onion.
Are they
Right, no, do you know what I will put on there?
Bit of green, isn't it?
Hold fire, hold fire.
Not
Hold fire,
chili.
caller.
Don't put it on all
Hey,
of
you
it.
Why
just
did you have to ruin?
Hey, you just put hot sauce
Why
in there.
did you-
Don't put it on all of it.
Why did you have to
Put it on like one of them.
Showing off your skill. You're showing your skill,
Yeah,
mate.
that's what you want to do. Just
Cool
show the
thing,
knife.
does
Just show the knife. You don't need chili. You just want to show the knife off.
You lot, joker.
Why don't you
Right.
leave the chili there? Because
Why?
then when you
Yeah,
do your one, you
exactly.
can just put it
If
on
you
there.
want to do a little...
Ah, that's boring.
Do you know what?
Leave the chili there.
Bollocks
Don't
to
let
you.
him eat it, babe. Innit? Don't let him eat it.
No, it is like this.
That's it. Bit of salt. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, we're going
Oh, if you put spring on that now.
Come on.
Yeah, bit of spring
Bit of
onion.
Needed
spring
that.
onion.
Put that in the sun. Let me tell you, show that off in the sunlight, Ren.
It's just silly.
You got to go in the sunlight, Ren.
No, it's good.
Where the sunlight is, Ren.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Yes! Like Lion King. Like Lion King, bruh.
cheese.